Almost anyone would like to be wealthy. You can probably think of a few reasons why having plenty of money would improve your life. But if wealth is so desirable, why don't more people have it? Many people believe that getting rich is difficult or impossible. However, this isn't true at all. In fact, anyone can become wealthy. Hello everyone, welcome to Success Wisdom. This video will discuss getting rich is easy if you do this every day. If you're new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. Sound too good to be true? It's not. Keep watching to find out how. Follow these simple steps and you'll be well to riches. Getting rich is easy if you do this every day. First, spend less than you earn. This may seem like an obvious one, but it's crucial. If you want to become wealthy, you need to ensure that you are spending less money than you bring in. This means creating a budget and sticking to it. Determine how much money you need for essential expenses like housing, food, and transportation, and then track your spending to ensure you stay within your budget. Try to find ways to reduce your expenses so that you can save more money each month. Second, challenge yourself every day. To become wealthy, you need to push yourself to do better. This means challenging yourself daily. Find ways to improve your productivity and efficiency. Also try coming up with new ideas to help you make more money. Third, invest in yourself. If you want to become wealthy, you need to invest in yourself. This means taking the time to learn new skills and knowledge. It also means investing in your health and well-being. By doing this, you will be setting yourself up for success in the long run. Fourth, network with successful people. If you network with successful people, you will eventually become successful yourself. Think about it. The people you associate with significantly impact your life. If you associate with wealthy, successful people, you will learn from their example and eventually achieve success. On the other hand, if you associate with people who are struggling financially, you will likely find yourself in the same position. The choice is yours. If you want to get rich, start networking with successful people today. It's the easiest way to create lasting wealth. You can also get access to resources that you wouldn't have otherwise. Fifth, live in the future. An old saying goes, the best way to predict the future is to create it. That's certainly true when it comes to financial success. To become rich, you must start by visualizing yourself as a wealthy person. What does that future look like? What kind of lifestyle do you want to have? Sixth, live below your means. Anyone can get rich if they're willing to live below their means. It's a simple concept, but it's often overlooked. People want the newest car, the biggest house, and the latest gadgets, but they're not willing to sacrifice their lifestyle to save up for them. They end up going into debt and never climbing out. However, if you're ready to live below your means, you can quickly get rich. You'll be able to save up enough money to buy what you want without going into debt. You may not be able to live the rich and famous lifestyle, but you'll be well on your way to financial freedom. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Seventh, don't procrastinate. If you want to get rich, the most important thing you can do is to start taking action today. Procrastination is the #1 enemy of success, so you must get in the habit of taking decisive action daily. That means setting aside time each day to work on your goals and then following through with what you've planned. It might seem small, but it's the key to making your dreams a reality. So if you are serious about getting rich, start taking action today. It's the only way to guarantee your success. Getting rich is easy if you do this every day. Meditate. Meditation is a powerful tool that can help you to focus your thoughts and achieve inner peace. In addition, meditation can also help to improve your financial situation. That's because when you meditate, you clear your mind of all the negative thoughts and worries holding you back from achieving your goals. As a result, you can focus on what's truly important, making more money. If you meditate for just 10 minutes each day, you'll find that your financial situation will quickly improve. So if you're looking for a way to get rich quick, look no further than meditation. Ninth, practice gratitude. Research shows daily gratitude leads to more money, better health, and happiness. Why? Because when you focus on what's good in your life, you create more of it. It's like planting seeds of abundance and then watering them with your attention. Gratitude is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. The results may not be immediate, but if you stick with it, you will start to notice more and more good coming into your life. And before you know it, getting rich will be easy. Then give back. It's often been said that the best way to get rich is to give back. And there's a lot of truth to that statement. When you give back, you're not only helping others, you're also helping yourself. You demonstrate your commitment to making the world a better place when you give back. And when you give back, you also show that you can put others first. All of these things can help you attract wealth and success. So if you want to get rich, start by giving back. It's one of the most powerful things you can do. You will be making a difference in the world and attracting more wealth into your life. 11th, learn. Learning is one of the most important things you can do to succeed. By expanding your knowledge and understanding of the world around you, you will be better equipped to make decisions that will lead to a more prosperous future. There are many ways to learn, and it is essential to find an approach that works for you. Some people prefer to read books or articles, while others prefer to listen to podcasts or watch videos. There's no wrong way to learn as long as you do it every day. Getting rich is easy if you do this every day. 12. Stay focused and positive. Successful people in business often have one thing in common. They maintain focus and a positive attitude no matter what. When pursuing your goals, staying focused on what you want to achieve is essential. This means setting aside distractions and staying committed to your plans. It can be challenging to do this, but it's vital if you want to be successful. Pursuing your dreams can be challenging, but staying focused and positive will eventually reach your goals. In addition to staying focused, keeping a positive attitude is also important. This means staying optimistic and believing in yourself even when things are tough. It also means surrounding yourself with positive people who will support you on your journey. Lastly, stay disciplined. Discipline is critical when it comes to getting rich. You need to be disciplined with your spending and saving habits to see results. It's also important to stay disciplined with your investments. Don't get caught up trying to time the market or make risky bets. Stick to a solid investment plan and stay the course even when times. If you follow these steps, you will be well to becoming wealthy. Just remember that it takes time and patience to build wealth. So don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Stay focused on your goals and eventually you'll achieve financial success. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Thank you and goodbye.